Welcome to another 1 Minute Wednesday, where we try our best to cover one of Desk Director's many features in about a minute. This week, we will talk about creating a trigger for a notification. Open the Desk Director admin portal and navigate to the email section, then click on Notification Events. Choose any ticket board event, but for this video, select Alerts. To set an event for any other ticket status change, scroll down and click Create New Trigger. To activate this new event, click Enable. To choose the email template for this event, click the three-dot menu and select either a system or a custom template. For this example, we will select a system template, then click on the template to preview it. Once satisfied, click Select. Next, choose the recipients for this notification. You can select multiple recipients. For this example, select ticket owner and assign technicians. Now, choose the trigger event for this notification by selecting Waiting on Client. You can select multiple events if needed. Finally, click Save to apply the changes. Once you've saved your settings, click the back link to return to the previous page. The new event has been added. To test it, click the drop-down menu and select Test. Enter your email address and click Send Test Email. If the email is successfully sent, you will see a success message. Click Cancel to close the test window. That is how you create a trigger for a notification. Thank you for joining today's 1 Minute Wednesday. See you next time.